let's observe maximum discipline. Because if we don't observe maximum discipline, we are going to antagonize our auntie there, the magistrate. The magistrate is very progressive. But there is this other guy who is here in court, who has a problem. I was told in the sense that he's going to open a case of intimidation. An old man who has a problem. So we are not scared or shaken by anything. But please don't make my matters worse. I want to come out and take hugs and pictures with you. If you make noise and you fight and you become rebellious, you are going to send me straight to West Bengal prison. And here I want to come out and eat breakfast and eat.
Yes!
Comrades, one day all of us we shall be fine. We shall have food, shelter, and clothing like all other human beings. Thank you very much.